I'm Diane Waghorne. Dallas is my home, and I started the company 2 decades ago. I was so proud and so honored to be recognized by the Global Wind organization, and we're very humbled, really. It's just not anything you would ever expect. And so to receive that recognition, I mean, you just can't imagine how much that means. Tech Safety Lines always loves a challenge. We never back away from a challenge. And so we look enthusiastically forward to be entering the nominee process for the next year. We hope to bring our A game and could not be more excited about the opportunity. I would recommend anybody that, even if you don't think you can win, I didn't think I even had a possibility of winning, but it's a great opportunity to look at yourself. Perhaps you can imagine through someone else's eyes, how do other people perceive me? And so that is a growth opportunity for business owners to make sure that they do have their best foot forward. So I think game on, let's do it.